did a chicken, and today we're going to go a place in the old place, and we had Ashley and Dad.
What's up?
And here we have the horse. And I saw a bull. I don't know what the animal called, but we asked him. His nose is bleeding, but he did got added leash. So we asked them, and they said the added leash. And here we got the chickens and ducks. And say don't check the ducks or the chickens. And here we have a duck. This is the center house, and we're gonna go in. And here we have all the ducks, and we got the bed. And here we got the kitten where you eat. It looks like you in the garden house. Can look like it's a closet, but not. Is it one bed? Is there one bed one here? And here we have funding here.
Can you show them where the garden is?
And we got the garden. Me see food there? No food. Is it Hey guys, it's tour fun, and we're gonna go in. You saw my chicken cheese. We'll go see them. And here in the house, we might go in. We can't.
Oh wow, yeah, let's go in. We can go in.
We can go in.
Yeah.
Did I say that?
You coming, Ashley? Hope it's not too dark. Look how big this place is.
And here it made it through a thing.
Well, this is where they kept all their tools and stuff. All their axes and swords and...
Swords.
Well, not swords, saws.
They probably beat each other when they got swords.
Big axe and hammer.
And
Looks like that's where they made it.
hey guys, we're going to sit there at a horse study.
The horse buggy, horse drawn carriage.
The horse buggy and
Pretty cool.
it's like a car, but it's not a car. It's like you drive in, and you can't go in there, maybe because Hey guys, it's hot and kind of mud messy, and here we got bugs on them. And don't care, I don't know why. And some pooping.
Yeah, it don't smell too good, does it, Bubba?
No, admit that.
There's flies over there.
Poop.
Poop.
Poop and poo-poo.
Mm-hmm.
It's a tented house, and we're gonna go on the steps. It's really hard, and you gotta be careful.
Are they steep?
Yeah, deep. Or deep, whatever.
So what room would this be, Bub?
It'd be my one.
This would be the kids' room.
Yeah, I sleep right here 'cause I got a hat.
What room is this?
I go sleep there on bed 'cause the hat, 'cause I got a hat, and you can't wear the hat, but it looked like someone put it there, but it looked like in the old days.
Like in the old days?
Yeah, and here we got the toy, and like
Like a cannon?
boo, 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 ow, ow, ow. And here we got the old chairs, and they might be on my cousin chair.
You want to take me downstairs? Show everybody downstairs? Well, what's across the hall from here? What's over here?
Huh?
What's in here? Just a bunch of like storage.
Yeah, look, I don't bother.
Looks like the barrels from SpongeBob.
I'm gonna sit on him. I'm gonna eat.
This looks like storage, don't it?
Yeah, it look like I sleep right here.
Mm-hmm.
I might not be cut the food.
You want to show them downstairs now?
Yeah. It look far away. Can we go here? We didn't go here before, but we can go up the stairs. Gotta be careful.
Be very careful, okay? They're steep.
And here we didn't go in here.
Was this like the parents' bedroom?
Yeah. Yeah, and here I bet my cousin is sleep in here only for
It's a little
babies.
crib,
Yeah.
a fireplace.
And here we got the thing. His center go down there. He probably get food. And
This
I
is
think,
what? Another bedroom?
I think, huh?
This another
Yeah,
bedroom?
I think Santa put the present under the bed.
Mm-hmm.
And here
Guest book.
we got the beside. You might want to take that.
Where we going, bub? You gonna go show the kitchen?
Yeah.
This is the kitchen over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Over here.
And we got the kitten in here. And the lady said don't cut that cut it do one.
It's still warm from when they cooked breakfast.
Yeah, it might good.
It does smell good, don't it?
Yeah, and here we got the food. Hey, Dad.
Mm-hmm. This came out of the garden, I'm sure.
Do you got the is it real?
There are cucumbers and a tomato.
Is it
Well, there's some
real?
little peppers.
Do real?
Yeah, they came out of the garden.
Real?
Mm-hmm.
The peppers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, why?
This is where they wash their dishes.
Huh?
This is where they wash their dishes over here. These little pans. They're
I
soap.
bet
and-
it got plants in here. Hey guys, we got that in home, and thank you for the video. Goodbye.